This 2008 Maserati Quattroporte is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Quattroporte GTS 4.2L V8 engine, 6-speed automatic transmission, navigation system, Bose premium sound system, rear parking aid, front parking aid, heated front seats, memory seats, xenon headlights, adaptive light control system, power automatic windows, cruise control, dual power and heated exterior mirrors, keyless entry, Maserati alloy wheels, finished in dark graphite black exterior, black leather interior. Please feel free to call us 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are next satisfied. Online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2008 Maserati Quattroporte GTS is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago, visit us at autogallerychicago.com.